Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a very unique recipe which is spring onions with fish. It's a very tasty and very easy to make recipe, at the same time highly nutritious, and it is typically made in Hyderabad. So let's get started. I'm going to take spring onions from my kitchen garden, and I'm going to only take the green part of the spring onions. You can also use the whole onions with the green part, but personally I am using only the green leaves of the spring onion, and I'm going to wash them thoroughly and I'm going to chop them into medium sized pieces. So here is our spring onions ready, and I'm going to chop them. I'm using scissors, you can do it anyway. So I have washed and chopped it into medium sized pieces, and along with this I'm going to use fish fillet, which I have already washed thoroughly and rinsed thoroughly. There shouldn't be any water in the fish, and I have added some turmeric while washing. You can also do that. And here I'm taking salt and one chop green chili, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and red chili, which is 1 teaspoon. And the ginger garlic paste is freshly chopped and freshly grated, and I would always advise you to go for the fresh ginger and garlic paste. So in this very basic ingredients we are going to make this spring onion fish. And here I'm taking a utensil. You can take a pan or whatever utensil you prefer, and I'm using 1 cup of oil. And to this oil I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to saute the ginger and garlic paste until its color changes. Now the color have become golden, and so now I'm going to add the chopped green chilies, and I'm going to reduce the flame to very slow, uh, and I'm going to add red chili powder because we don't want the chili powder to get dark, so we don't want it to get burned. So we are adding at a very low flame and we are sauteing it, and after a few seconds you you can add the spring onions. The best part about this dish is that you don't need to add water. The spring onions, when they start cooking, they itself, the vegetable itself starts leaving the water. And now I'm adding some salt. You can use salt as per taste, and I would always suggest that in green leafy vegetables try to use very less amount of salt. And now you can see that the uh, spring onion started leaving the water. Now in this we are going to add the fish fillet. You can add it all together or you can add it one by one. Now we are going to mix the fish fillet with the spring onion, and you can see how nice color it is coming on the fish. And in this spring onion water only the fish will tenderize. So to get the fish tenderized, we are going to cover it, and we are going to leave this on low flame. Now you can see that the fish is almost done. You can check the fish with a spoon or spatula, and you can see that it's done. Now there is some water left in the dish. You can either keep it for gravy if you want, if you like more gravy, or if you want a dry gravy, then you can put the stove on high flame and get it dry. So this is our spring onion fish fillet ready. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Thank you.